first with some white. Okay. And on the inside, we're going to start with the black, right? We're going to start with the black. And we're going to pour directly into the middle. And what you will see eventually here, when the cup gets a certain amount of paint in it, the paint shoots out from the bottom there. So, starting with the dark to the light, okay? And now I want to use my copper. Now my gold. Going back to the black. More gold. Well, copper. Or the copper. And if you can see, it's already protruding out from the edges of the cup. Of course, black is the first that I see. All right. And I'm going to just kind of watch it for a second. And I can see it here. You may be able to see some here. Come on out, paint, come on. Sometimes you could just lift the corner a little bit. Lift the corner. It's all about that suction, right? It's all about that suction. Okay. I think that I may put a dab of white in there. Okay. Come back in with some black. On top of that white. All right. Black, and let's do some copper. I'll keep it in the same order. Okay. Come back in with some gold. And it's moving. Okay. There we go. Now I can see some of the copper and gold coming out here. Just letting it do its thing. Beautiful, beautiful. Make sure you can see that here. Yes. Let me zoom in a little bit for you. So there you should be able to see how the paint is actually coming out. Okay. All right, guys. And that is my gold, black, white, and copper for today. That was easy breezy, quick and sweezy, sweetie. Oh my goodness. Now I want to torch it. It has already just some beautiful cells, so you know that there's no silicone used here. It's just paints mixing with one another that creates the cells. And so I am gonna let it do its thing. Wow. That has never happened. Wow. Guess I do need to torch it. A group of cells over here just, wow. Guys, this is gorgeous. I love it. I love it. So, you see me doing this. I saw one of the young ladies that I watch all the time, and she was saying just to dab, right? And when I came over here, just a whole area, all of this just began to pop with cells, right? And so I began to do that here and there, and you could see them. It's gorgeous. So see exactly what she meant. And you can't get too close because I promise you, too close will burn your whole canvas and the whole picture is just kaput. So, it's test and trial. They come to make you strong. All right. Did want to get right here because this is the original space. It's sort of over in the center here that the cup pour begins. And guys, this thing gets hot right here. Okay, so I may torch it after about 5 minutes, but for right now, I'm gonna bring it down and around and let you see what's going on. Close up my little tripod here so you can get a good glimpse. And I'm gonna have to turn this way. Sorry about making you dizzy. This is the corner. Let's see, I left it that way. That was where we started. This corner. Now let me bring you out so you can see the whole picture. Every time you pour, it doesn't matter how you mix your paint, how you pour it, it's all going to be different every single time. Doesn't matter if you use the same movements, if you use the same amounts, ounces, grams, milliliters, the same identical. Every single picture will come out the way the paint wants to flow. It will never be two paintings the same. With that said, guys, it's very interesting to me. Sort of like the morning glory. Every morning about 4:45, 5 o'clock it opens up. And at about 15, between 11:15 and 11:45, it dies. And another one is right behind it, waiting to bloom, 4:45 the next morning. So with that said, it's different. And so will your paintings be different. That is why I say one of a kind. Each one of a kind. Each painting, one of a kind. Of course, unless you photo it and have it copied, then it's not an original, is it? With that said, I hope you guys have already had your lunch. If not, go grab yourself a good lunch, kick your legs up, and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you for joining me. If you have not already subscribed, please click subscribe and like so that you'll see all of the holiday events and even the wedding I'm doing. I will be doing that online on the live. Do join me. Love you guys much. And you have a great day now here. Bye-bye.